All right, so now let's get into the specifics of the assignments that are going to be required throughout the semester. First of all, this is in bold right at the top here. To earn credit, all assignments must be turned in as a Word document ending in .docx or a PDF ending in .pdf, not as images. So this is very, very important. If you submit your work as photos that you've taken and you send in JPEG after JPEG after JPEG or PNG or whatever it is, that will not be graded and you will not get points for it. In order to earn credit, everything has to be turned in as either a Word document or as a PDF document. So that means that if you are required to take pictures or photos or have some sort of drawing or image or something for your assignment, it must be put into a document that can then be submitted. And everything needs to be turned in as one Word document or one PDF for that assignment. This is also important because as we're doing things like peer reviews, for example, the person that is doing the peer review can only see one single assignment that has been submitted. So when you are submitting assignments, if you submit an assignment and you realize you left out a part, or you can go back and you can fix something, you can do that, and then you can upload the assignment again. Now, you'll see that as the person turning in the assignment as multiple documents that have been submitted for an assignment. The person grading that will only see the most recent one that you have submitted. So you need to make sure that the one that is most recent is the one that you mean to submit and that that's the one that will be graded. Now, we will not be able to go back and say, oh, whoops, sorry, that wasn't the one. I needed to submit this one. Make sure that you, again, double check, triple check that you go in, you can see the assignment, see what you have attached, open up that attachment, scroll through and make sure that that is indeed the attachment that you meant to attach or submit for that assignment. And it needs to be in a Word document or a PDF document. The only exception to this is when you're submitting a video. And when you're submitting a video, you'll just be submitting the video, not a Word document or a PDF with it. Anything else in the entire semester needs to be either a Word document or PDF. All right, so now let's get into the lecture video assignments. So it says each week you will watch lecture videos on the subunit topic and answer the embedded questions. You must watch each video in its entirety, not just answer all the embedded questions, for your answers to be submitted. If you do not, you will receive a 0 on the activity. You cannot complete the assignments more than once. Each week's lecture video assignments are worth 10 points for a total of 150 points for lecture video assignments. So for our lecture videos, I actually have all of the lecture videos posted in a page at the beginning of each of the modules. But to show that you have an understanding of the lecture videos and to show that you've watched the lecture videos, because they are kind of like being in a classroom and listening to the lectures, to show your attendance per se, I have embedded questions into the lecture videos. So depending on the length of the lecture video, it may be one question, maybe 2 or 3, maybe more. And I have all of the lecture videos posted just as the videos themselves in a file at the beginning of the module, so you can watch them as many times as you would like before you complete this assignment, or at some point. You could do it after, before, but so that you can watch the videos without having the questions in them. And then you have one chance, so again, you can't complete the assignments more than once, to go in and watch the videos and answer the questions. They're not overly complex questions or anything. I just want to have the availability of all of the videos for you so you can watch them at your leisure and not be kind of interrupted by the questions. But then I need you to show me that you have a comprehension or that you have comprehension of the material and that you've watched them. So each week, each video assignment will be posted there. So for example, some weeks there are only 3 videos. So you'll see, whatever that section is, lecture video assignment 1, lecture video assignment 2, 3, etc. Or some weeks they're up to 8 videos, but remember that some of these videos are actually only like 2 minutes long and things like that. So the number of videos is not really indicative of the amount of time you'll need to spend doing them, but just make sure that you do plan time to complete these assignments. All of the week's lecture video assignments are worth 10 points regardless of how many videos there are, which totals the 150 points for that lecture video assignment. Also, in the first lecture video assignment during this first week, you should see it. I actually have it to where there is a tutorial video, if you'd like to watch the tutorial video that Ed Puzzle actually did, which is the program that I'm using for this. So if you want to watch that, that can help walk you through and what to expect